All right, so I need to convert this to a white logo so it show up on my background. I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and then Black and White. I had red at the bottom here, so you can see when I adjust this little red, it will change its opacity. I want it a little bit lighter than the children part so that it's a little separated, so I'm going to click right there. Now I'm going to invert this. So I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and scroll down to Invert. Click that so everything that's white is now black and vice versa. Really, I just need the bottom portion of this logo, the children at risk, because the other part has already been imported into my frame. So I'm going to select the little marquee tool, go around the children at risk, Control A, Control C, back to my original, Control V. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to adjust the size because this will really go under that little circular logo. I'm going to zoom back in so I can see what I'm doing and move it right underneath. So ideally, I'm not going to want this black box, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of that in a moment. Press Enter. I'm going to make sure that that layer is selected, go up to the blending options, and scroll down to Screen. If I select that, you can see that everything that was black now blends in to the background. So as long as I am on my correct layer and press Screen, then everything blends into the background. Now I'll probably make some more adjustments, but that is a general way of how to include a logo without including the background.